That is a very strong material to try to cut with this. Bad news. For whatever reason, electrical is down on the boat. I gotta figure out what's up with that. Dude, it's warm in here, man. Okay. It is warm in here, man. Oh my god, bro.
Pass me a beer, and I'ma keep playing this music that you hear. And if you know the song, then come and sing along with me. Walking with the beach to my left, seat to my right, and I'ma get faded at the tiki bar tonight. Then I'ma rolling up like my name is Bob. Yeah, I'm gonna party like I'm a Jamaican. If you really wanna know where you can find me, I'll be unwinding down in the islands, down in the islands. You should lose track of your timing. Grab a drink beside me. Down in the islands, down in the islands.
I never get lonely. I got these goals to keep me company. I took the rear view off of this old Ford, so I only see in front of me. Now the past is out of sight and out of mind. Swore I'd change, now I'm back chasing these white lines. I'm just a long-haired son of a sinner, searching for new ways I can get gone. I'm a pedal to the highway. If you ever wonder why we write these songs, 'cause I'm only one drink away from the devil. I'm only one call away from home. Yeah, I'm somewhere in the middle. I guess I'm just a little right and wrong. These back roads guide me. These pills pretend to be my friend. I'm done for the last time. I'm lying to myself again. I always say that. Now I'm on my way back here somehow. I should know by now. I'm just a long-haired son of a sinner, searching for new ways I can get gone. I'm a pedal to the highway. If you ever wonder why we write these songs, 'cause I'm only one drink away from the devil.
That is a very strong material to try to cut with this. I don't know if I'm better off driving away and coming back with a better tool. I can't leave this like this, so I'm kind of stuck. The job must get done. I've only got 60 feet to cut, right? I've cut 2, so 58 to go.
Can maybe drink, talk to God and tell him what I think. At first he's gonna hate me, but eventually he'll say, I'm just a long-haired son of a sinner, searching for new ways I can get gone. I'm a pedal to the highway. If you ever wonder why we write these songs.
That's 3 feet. 57 to go. Seriously, right now? least there's a breeze. So I'm gonna run, get something to cut this. I found the gate code. I didn't have the gate code. So I'm gonna go get the gate. I'm gonna go get something to cut this sail faster and get some water. I am dehydrated so bad. I'm gonna get some water. And so hopefully I'll get one sail handled today. The thing is, it's so hot outside. Like, oh my God. You dehydrate so fast. It's just blistering and you melt. Like I'm really happy. I lost the code. I haven't had the code to get in here for a long time, and I didn't go through it wasn't in my notes. It was in my old phone had it. Anyways, I'm glad I found it. Now I have no idea where to go locally to not drive 20 minutes in one direction just to get, a more solid cutting tool. I'll drive to Home Depot if I have to, but hopefully, it's also 6:30. Bunga bunga. I got water and I got scissors and it wasn't that far away. And I managed to get back in. My code doesn't work. I went through and I found a text message from years ago, and that code doesn't work. I gotta get in touch with the guys. Let's see if these work. Oh my God. Kidding me right now? I was about to kill myself hacking that singing wave, man. Oh my goodness. This guy did it. This guy did the job. Oh man. My heart is there. It breaks my heart seeing this. Like, it breaks my heart because there's a lot of heart in that sail. There's going to be a lot of heart taken to replace it. If you take a look, see it. There's some dirty spots here. I don't know if I have to actually replace this sail or just clean it and then repair it from pulling it off there, because it's not, the rest is pretty clean. There might be a puncture in it, a small one here or there, but it is a pretty clean sail. 99% of it. And then you have this guy here. Look at what happened to this guy. She got all bound up. This is garbage. So there's that. And then this worked just fine. Do I have to replace this? I'm not a professional sail folder, so do not judge me on this. If you know how to fold it correctly, tell me so in the comments. Cool. I pulled the boards off. Not bad. I want to get the water out of there. So. I got it figured out. I got the electricity turned back on again. That makes me happy. Okay. Dude, it's warm in here, man. Okay. It is warm in here, man. Oh my God. The bilge is on. It works. It'll empty it. We're not. My butt isn't up high enough of the boat, the tail, aft. So the water is kind of like trickling. It's not at an angle enough to pull the water so that it can all go out the bilge. It's just slowly coming in there, little by little by little by little by little. So I'm trying to make it as dry as I can. Get rid of the excess. And I'm sure it'll get handled when the boat gets back on point. But drying off the keel bolts. So let me show you. So it keeps on coming in on the right side there. Yeah, see, that keeps on refilling. Let me know in the comments below, do I got to replace those keel bolts? I'm sure I'm going to undo them and check them before I ever put this back in the water. But let me know if I should be worried about the way those look or not, for those of you who know. And then I tried to dry off the rest of the area as best as I could. Good times. Just knowing that the electricity's back on. One last thing. Not emergency. That's good. I gotta go. I've spent a few hours up here. Look at that behind me. Dude. Look at this. You come out from there and it's hot in there, dude. It's summertime. I don't care. I'm gonna get this done. I'm gonna make this come back to life. I'm taking this. I'm gonna take this around the world. I don't care. I can do it. It's a good boat. Underneath it, it's a good boat. It's a great boat. And I love it. And I'm gonna make it happen. And I'm proud, I'm excited, I'm pumped. That's all I can be. Oh, really? I'm a gladiator. Yeah. Look at your. She needs a wash. That's so easy to do, though. Like, wash. So that closes out another day at the boat. I will get back and I'll do more. And I'll kill it again. We're going to bring her back to life. If you could, be sure to subscribe. Like, share, comment, tell me what I'm doing wrong. I just need to know. Be nice, be gentle, but tell me what I'm doing wrong. And if you've got any guidance to give me, I would really, like, I need guidance. I need help. I am out of my breath. It doesn't mean I can't do it. It doesn't mean I'm not gonna, but it does mean that I'm out of my scope. I'm out of my depth. I gotta get a lot more knowledge, and I really have to dive into what's going on here to slow down the process that is trying to take my boat from me. And it's winning at the moment. It's certainly winning, but I can come back and revitalize it, and I am. But if you can help, just let me know how you can help or what I need to do. And then I'm gonna look for other ways that I can help you guys, offer stuff, and help myself as well to get this big girl back in the water. Got to get her to dry Tortuga. I don't know what a realistic timeline is right now. Right now, I if I could have it all done in a year, I would be really excited. If I could get it done in 6 months by Christmas time, even better. And step by step, we'll get there. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for following. Hope to see you in the next one.
Anybody here? Pass me a beer, and I'ma keep playing this music that you hear. And if you know the song, then come and sing along with me. Walking with the beach to my left, sea to my right, and I'ma get faded at the tiki bar tonight. Then I'ma rolling up like my name is Bob. Yeah, I'm gonna party like I'm a Jamaican. If you really wanna know where you can find me, I'll be unwinding